Right, so I've just been chatting to a friend who wants to move his boat from here to Simonstown tomorrow, and I'm thinking, well, I'm not going to get much more done on the boat today, and things have been pretty slow work-wise. So tomorrow, how about I take you guys along and we sail from Hout Bay, round Cape Point, and to Simonstown. It'll take about a day to do. I don't know how much I'll be able to film, but let's do that. So for me, this will be a sleep, and for you, right, and we're not going around the Cape. So we're actually in the bowels of Argus. For the uninitiated amongst you, that's a gearbox that Andres is busy tying a mounting point to. This gearbox is going to get removed. This perfectly good working gearbox is getting removed in the search for speed. So there's a replacement gearbox, a 2-to-1 ratio gearbox. This is a 3-to-1 ratio gearbox. So it just doesn't have enough energy to move the boat at decent knots. So you guys get to watch how we mess this up.
So I'm just busy fighting with this nut, bro. It's coming, it's not that bad.
And this is holding.
That is sort of holding. I want no promises.
Alright, it went up a bit now. I did it manually once.
Okay, cool.
But, oh, you have to hit it again.
Oh no, it's just in a spot where I hit it and I did the spanner. Should you and the boat again?
I don't know.
Eh?
Exactly. We'll find out. What?
But it doesn't look like it's wrong. The studs, the splices, because this is a beautiful plate, bro. If it could have slid in, we could have put that box in today. Did I get it, that plate just for a... Oh, we have to take it out anyway.
Let's just move this.
I'm coming.
Let's bring it down. So if you can kick with your feet, or... hang on.
I think we have to...
Let's do this.
I think we both must be on that side. What do you think? You could put that pillow. You know what I have, Choma?
So another...
I have that thing. I took it out of the other box. That cradle. That canvas thing. That is quite nice to protect the steel also.
Okay.
I'll show you my plans. And then you can tell me what you think of it.
Okay. I'm going to flip this over. Hold on. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. You ready?
You do it by hand. Oh yeah, okay, cool.
Oh, it's coming down. We just needed to get 1 moment.
Just can you maybe pull your way also?
Which way do you want to go towards you?
Yeah.
Okay. I got no leverage on my feet. Let me get on my knee. I want to make sure I've got this.
Yes.
This side. Whew!
It's a light boy.
Yeah, this is totally the lightest thing ever. Oh, it's just holding there. Oh, fuck. Ooh. Hang on. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Hang on, let's What's that?
Now we have to slide
Oh,
it.
something caught. What's this?
Gemors gooi je net boop. So
Wait,
we can
wait,
look
before
look
you-
for that.
Before you do that,
Okay, you ready?
hold on. I need a little like
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
That's what you're like.
I'm going with my feet.
When you're
Okay.
happy.
I'll say.
You want me to stop?
It's okay.
You want to swipe a bit of spanner? Just to be in the...
No, don't.
Or not? Okay,
No,
you can do
people
it.
know I don't do anything.
Okay. I didn't say anything now. I'm
Oh,
stuck my lip.
So,
That's adapter plate.
adapter plate.
PRM 260 PRM gearbox.
So this is the Recon one.
That's a Recon, the 221, and this is the 321.
3, 2, 1. Let's go. I can always add music.
Okay, I've catch the hint.
Alright. So that's an edge primer. Ghost Coat edge primer from Plascon.
You can
What
read
did you
through
can
that.
read?
If you could read that, your eyes are still good.
Right, this is the inside portion. It didn't come off so badly, it was quite easy.
If we could undone all the bolts that we missed.
I mean, if you take all the bolts out, it's even easier.
That is for the amateur moves we pulling.
This side, yeah, was it? That one.
There's one there. That
And
was
that
hidden
one. Oh,
away.
that's the one actually.
That's the one that was hidden away. And where was that other funny one? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This side, yeah. Also hidden
That one
away.
doesn't have a. Oh, it can. I guess that was designed for another,
Which one is that?
but no hole.
Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah.
So maybe for a bigger gearbox. Or
Well,
a
that is
different
maybe
size.
for an earring or something, you know. Golden earrings.
Is it the red olive?
Net hy. O, God, dit ding stink maar al.
Wow. Did you mix in some? Did you thin it?
No,
Is this just the smell?
This is how
I
it
don't
comes.
remember it being this stinky.
I know, bro. Because
But I'm the guy who got high and didn't know where I was for 6 hours. So maybe I shouldn't talk. And that was red oxide. Even more chemically.
I love. And the paint, the spanner's getting underneath as well, paint, because I'm in a hurry.
Can't do it any harm.
Only mark it if somebody steals it. It's just a light one, just to keep it for a few years, sort of reasonable doubt.
It'll help.
Yeah.
If it helps, says the actress to the bishop.
Nee, bro, te veel ingelichting alweer eens. Oversharing. Ek het draag die ding droog.
Yeah.
Van,
Yeah, it air dries, it flashes quickly, but it's not actually dry.
Jy so verbaas wees wat sit op jou vingers later.
Yeah, I've used this stuff a lot. This is my childhood, this smell though.
Right, if you can maybe undo that thing above your head.
I can. Wel, wat doen met jou totter man?
Ek het nou 'n bietjie glue op die handskoen.
Jammer. Okay, let's take all your tools and stuff and protect them a little bit. That's it. Right, both sides of the gearbox are done. This has been given a bit of paint. The whole outside of the gearbox has been painted with a two-part epoxy paint. Sorry about that. Right. So this is how my morning's gone. I was supposed to take a trip in a boat, deliver it to Simonstown, do a round Cape Point. Instead, removed a diesel pump from a Yanmar engine because the engine wouldn't start, so it didn't get to sail, but ended up on Argus removing the gearbox to replace that. So my day off for a sail has turned into heavy mechanical work. Isn't that how it goes? Is that clean? What kind of a cleaning is that? How can you gooi moves like that?
Talk to my lawyer.
Let's get one in there.
Getting personal now. I thought we were friends.
We are.
That's
why I try to keep your standards high, bro. I think some of the problem here is this. Okay, there we go.
What are you thinking? Start again. You swine it got.
See if you can get it one or two in.
Okay.
So now,
You're in the Cotswold.
yeah, but it's okay. What we need to do is we just need to,
Grab with your hand.
yeah, go up to here and go one more. Okay, hang on. Whoop. Hy wil draai 'n bietjie. Hy's lus vir los. Okay, I must hold it because it wants to roll, bro.
Okay, so what do they want me to do?
No, that's fine. Whatever the next move is,
You think we'd move it a bit closer there?
yeah, we take it to the next level.
Okay.
Take it to the limit. Oh no, wait, we must lift.
Lift it.
Yeah. We have to lift. Of course. Why would we just slide it?
Yeah. So we roll it a bit over like this.
But then I lose leverage.
Oh, okay. Will you pull and I push?
Can you? Yeah. Okay. Now we have to do the.
This pipe movie, the pipe will hold it.
Now we do some chords and
I will
some
now go and get it.
fancy things.
Yeah, this pipe here.
And bring the bolt, the nut.
But this guy, just on here. All. You remember that one? You must be nuts.
Yeah, I mean, Sure.
Ja.
Whatever.
Ja, wat are you talking about, mate? Kan ek kom, bro?
Jy kan.
Is jy reg met jou speelgoedjies daar?
Ek is hier.
Okay. Stop net 'n breekie van jou cockerings.
Okay, note to self-edit cock ring. Okay, gearbox is on. Our nice painted surface is dirty from our fingers, but we'll clean it. And now it's the exhaust system needs to go on. Then these hydraulic lines, which are hanging, they'll go on. And then we need to connect the shaft, which will totally be simple. Right, let's do it. Right, so that's as far as we got with the gearbox thing. There was an issue with it. One of the gears was wrong, so it wasn't going in reverse. We discovered it was a plate was the wrong way around. Literally the only thing that you can put in the wrong way around, so it wasn't slipping into reverse gear. So when you went into reverse, it did nothing. That's been corrected. The shaft is on, everything's on. It goes forwards, it goes backwards, but I can't show you that. Andries has left. When he gets back, I'll show some footage. I hope you've enjoyed this extra weird little episode of behind the scenes mucking about with other stuff and the tomfoolery that two grown adult men get up to. For those of you who don't understand some of the stuff that's been said in the video, Andries is of course Afrikaans, so we speak Afrikaans to each other a lot. I don't know if I can turn captions on for that. I'll see if that's possible. And a great deal of it's been edited out because I have to pass the censors muster. So anyhow, thank you all for watching this bonus. Leave a like, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys Thursday with my usual video. Bye bye.